My name is Jack Millington. I'm the founder of Billy Tannery, and we're in our micro tannery in Leicestershire. Billy Tannery is the UK's first goat leather micro tannery. So we take goat skins that were previously going to waste and turn them into vegetable tan leather and a range of leather accessories. In the UK, sadly, the traditional thing with male goats on a dairy farm is that they were euthanized at birth. But what our partner company does is they take those billy goats from the dairy industry and they raise them and they go into the food industry as meat. They did amazing work to solve that problem, but then found out that the goat skins were going into landfill, so that's the waste issue. So it's so important for us to be able to not only solve the waste issue there, but also talk to people about how they should be eating more goat meat. Right from the beginning, we wanted to do things in a traditional way in the tannery. So rather than using kind of modern industrial techniques, which is called chrome tanning, we do what's called vegetable tanning, which means we use natural bark extracts in order to tan the leather rather than using more polluting chemicals. It was really important for us right from the beginning that not only was the leather tanned in the UK, but the products were going to be made in the UK. So we make in small batches to incredible high standard, everything from the stitching to the fittings for the products as quality as it can be. It's great to be able to see that we're taking the goat skins, which were previously a waste product, and turning it into something that can be a product for many decades.